Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the Icy Wand in Grow a Garden. Basically, you can get it from Santa's stash here. This is what it looks like, the Ice Wand. Here you're going to take it out. It's super cute, and basically, if you put it in your garden when there's like a snowfall, place it where you want like the snowy mutation to be. So you're just going to place it near like a plant, and then it could have like a chance of it getting the snowy mutation. But that's pretty much it, really. Super cute though. I don't really want to use it. I just want to use it for a prop. But that is it. This is what it looks like. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.